If your Maytag Bravo's dryer clicks but doesn't start, you're experiencing a common electrical issue. The clicking sound indicates the relay is attempting to engage the motor, but something is blocking it. The most common causes are the door switch, which acts as a safety interlock, the start relay that engages the motor, or issues with the power supply, preventing proper voltage flow. The electrical system includes complex connections like motors and transformers. Faulty connections can prevent the relay from receiving power, causing the clicking sound without starting. The door switch is a critical safety component. When worn or faulty, it prevents the dryer from starting despite the clicking relay sound, as seen in this repair scenario. By understanding these potential problems, you can systematically diagnose and resolve the clicking issue in your Maytag Bravo's dryer. The door switch is a safety mechanism that prevents the dryer from running when the door is open. Open the dryer door to locate the switch. It's a small push button activated when the door closes. Visually inspect the switch for damage, such as bent contacts or dust. Use a multimeter to check for continuity when the switch is pressed. If no continuity, replace the faulty switch. Available online for $20 to $50. The start relay is crucial as it engages the drive motor to begin dryer operation. You'll typically find it integrated into the motor assembly inside the dryer. To test the relay, use a multimeter set to continuity mode. Place probes on the relay terminals and check if the circuit completes, indicating proper function. Signs of failure include no continuity when tested or intermittent connections. A damaged relay may show physical signs like melted housing or corroded contacts. Common causes include voltage surges or excessive use. You can find replacement relays online. Always disconnect the dryer power before testing to ensure safety. Remember to always disconnect the dryer from power before performing any tests or repairs. Ensure the dryer receives the correct voltage, typically 120/240 volts. Use a multimeter to check the outlet and circuit breaker. Voltage drops below 220 volts can cause symptoms similar to relay failure. Check the circuit breaker to ensure it's not tripped. A tripped breaker prevents power from reaching the dryer. Test the outlet using a multimeter to confirm proper voltage. Low voltage can mimic relay issues. Inspect the power cord for damage or loose connections. A damaged cord can interrupt power flow. Test thermal fuses for continuity. Blown fuses prevent the dryer from starting and require replacement. Replacing the start relay is slightly more complex but still manageable for DIY. First, ensure safety by unplugging the dryer from the electrical outlet. Next, access the motor assembly. This typically involves removing the back panel or top cover using a screwdriver. Consult your model's manual for specific access points. Locate the old start relay on the motor assembly. Carefully disconnect the wires from the relay terminals. Note the wire colors and positions for reconnection. Install the new relay. Connect the wires to the correct terminals on the new relay, matching the original configuration. Ensure secure connections to prevent loose wires. Verify that the new relay is compatible with your specific Maytag Bravo's model. Check the voltage rating, part number, and dimensions before installation. Reassemble the dryer by replacing the panels and securing screws. Plug the dryer back in and run a test cycle to ensure the relay functions properly. For detailed step-by-step visual guidance, watch online video tutorials from reputable sources before starting your repair. Before starting any repair on your Maytag Bravo's dryer, always unplug it from the electrical outlet to prevent accidental shocks. Discharge any capacitors by shorting their terminals with an insulated tool. Double-check all wiring connections to ensure they're secure and properly insulated. Capacitors can retain dangerous voltage even after unplugging. The discharge process shows 3 stages: retaining charge, discharging with current flow, and finally uncharged. Use a multimeter to verify voltage is 0 before touching any components. A common mistake is forgetting to test new components like door switches or start relays before fully reassembling the dryer. Always verify functionality first. Counterfeit parts, often cheaper online, can lead to premature failures as seen in recalls. Ensure you have genuine OEM parts from reputable sources. Just like distinguishing real from fake products, always check for authentic Maytag parts. Counterfeits may look similar but fail quickly, as reported in consumer cases. Use tools like multimeters for voltage and continuity checks during testing. If you're uncertain about diagnosing or repairing electrical issues, it's safer and more reliable to consult a professional appliance technician rather than risking further damage or safety hazards. Regular maintenance can prevent future issues with your Maytag Bravos dryer. Clean the lint trap after each use to maintain proper airflow and efficiency. Inspect the dryer vent for blockages to avoid fire hazards and improve performance. Consider retrofitting energy-saving relays for older models to reduce electricity costs. Stay informed about potential recalls and safety updates from Maytag. With the rise of smart appliances, future models may offer AI diagnostics to predict component wear, reducing the need for manual repairs.